To add hardware in the ExactTime system, click on the configuration link from the admin homepage, followed by the hardware link. From here you can add your clocks by clicking on the add link in the upper left hand corner. Enter the name of the clock. For the terminal ID, you must enter a 1 for a TA520 or 620 clock, or a 0 for any of our hand punch units. Choose your terminal type. Next, you must choose the communication option. In the terminal setup, you can choose the idle prompt, meaning what message is going to show up on the clock while it is idle, followed by the total number of digits in the badge. In the options area, you can assign bell schedule templates, which can be created over here on the left hand side, hardware zones, which can also be created on the left hand side, and assign the time zone. In the labor level setup area, you can choose the default labor levels that will be assigned to any punch when the employee clocks in or out. You can also choose to have the clock prompt the employee to enter a location, department, or job when they are punching in. In the terminal mode section, you can choose to have a normal clock, an in-only clock, or an out-only clock. You can also enable the swipe and go feature. Keypad options include allowing the clock to accept lunch and break entries, allowing it to accept labor level transfers, or allowing badgeless entries. If you wish to allow your employees to enter their pay adjustments, again pay adjustments could be anything including bonuses, commission, mileage, then that must be turned on in this section. The last three sections have to do with pulling the data from the clock and uploading it to the server. The pull to the PC needs to be set up at a minimum of every 15 minutes. If you are using a modem for your communication and you have multiple clocks, this time may need to be extended. To enable the polling, click on the box, choose your interval type, whether it be minutes, hours, or days, the length, and the bolt-based time. Updating the terminal will allow you to update any information set in the software to the clocks. Normally this is done once a day. And sending the data to the server takes the file that was pulled off of the clock and sends it up to the system so that you see it in the ExactTime software.